Good morning, children. Today in this class we are going to see about a new lesson. Hope definitely you will enjoy this lesson. This lesson is about birds. Okay, definitely you will enjoy this lesson, and this lesson deals about how to respect the birds and how to take care of the birds. So in this secular world, the creature which are having wings are birds. Okay, definitely we can't fly in air, animals can't fly in air, but birds and insects can fly in air. It is a very great blessings for them, okay, to fly high in the sky. So definitely we are going to learn more about these birds in this lesson. Hope you will enjoy this lesson, and let us step into the topic. In this lesson, we are going to see about the special features of birds and their functions, nesting habits of birds and how they survive in the surroundings, and explore ways to protect and care for birds. Okay, so see, there are some activities given here. So we have to do this activity after the school reopens, and don't worry about these activities, and let us go to the next page. So, for the birds, which is very important, feathers are very important. So, we are going to see about the important part of a bird, feathers. Have you ever wondered how birds are different from other animals? Birds are differ from other animals because they are having wings. They have the ability to fly in the sky. Feathers. There are several animals that live on trees, have claws and other features similar to birds. However, birds are the only animals that have feathers on their body. Feathers of birds have many important functions. Okay, they are different from the other animals because of they are having feathers. Okay, now we are going to see they are having a beautiful feather. Most birds use their wing feathers to help them to fly. Birds also fluff their feathers to keep warm in cold weather. So, they will make the feathers fluffy so as to escape from the cold weather. Okay, this where feathers, okay, fur-like thing will keep them warm during the cold climate. Some birds have waterproof feathers that protect them from rain and from sinking while swimming. Okay, let us imagine a duckling and a chicken. Okay, chicken means a small hen. Okay, so if we make the chicken to swim in water, what will happen? Definitely the chicken will drown in the water because it don't know how to swim, and next one, the whole feathers will get wet. But if I put a duckling, a small one of a duck, if I put a duckling inside the water, the duckling will swim, and moreover its feathers will not get wet in the water because they have some kind of waxy substances on their body, on their feathers. Okay, that waxy substances will make them not to get wet during swimming, and also they know how to swim. It is a very important character of water birds, okay, which can swim in water as well. And next one, birds spread their wings and feathers to keep cool during warm weathers. Okay, there are so many uses of feathers, not only to fly, okay, but to keep them warm, to swim, and keep them cool. Okay, if it is very hot, we will do like this, no, with our hands. Okay, likewise these birds will flutter their wings so as to make them cool. The colors of the feathers help the birds in many ways. Brightly colored feathers helps the bird attract the male partner. Okay, so as to attract its male partner, the bright colors will be used for the female bird, and as well as peacock. Have you seen a peahen and a peacock? A peacock will be more colorful than a peahen. Okay, so that color is used to attract its partner towards it. Feathers can also help us blend with the surroundings so that they are not easily spotted. Okay, it makes us to escape from the colors. Okay, see here, we cannot find this bird whether it is sitting in the snow or not, because it is able, this is able to make them to escape from their enemies. Okay, so a peacock spreads its colorful feathers to attract its mate. Okay, so as I have told you already, the peacock will be having a very beautiful feathers and it is used to attract its mate. And see this frogmouth owl, it is having a brown color, it matches with the woods of the forest, and it will hide itself inside the tree so as to escape from its enemies. So here also willow has white feathers that blend it with snow and helps it hide from the hungry enemies. So not only the feather is used for flying purpose, but it is used for to escape from the enemies, to avoid the cold weather, to make use of its feathers to flutter during hot weather. So it is very helpful for the birds to adapt with the surroundings. Okay, next one. Feathers of birds are replaced with new ones at least 1 year. They shed a few at a time and new ones grow to replace the old feathers. This process is called molting. Okay, as we are having nails and hair, we will cut the hair and we will cut the nails. Same as the birds also, it will replace its feathers by new ones. New feathers will be grown within 1 year. So all the old feathers will be dropped out and new feathers will grow. This process is called molting. The process usually happens slowly and not all the feathers are shed at the same time. Okay, if we are having hair and we will have hair fall, okay, all the hair will shed at a time? No. Okay, 1 or 2 hair will fall, or 5 or 6 hair will fall at a time, and new hair will grow in that place. Same, the birds will be shedding the feathers, 1 feather, 2 feathers likewise, and it will start growing the feathers. Okay, so they will be shedding the feathers, and this process is called as molting. This is because birds needs feathers to fly and keep warm. Okay, so we have seen about feathers and now we are going to see about wings. All birds have wings. The most important function of wings is to help the birds to fly. Okay, the wings are made up of small bones, hollow bones, and the bones are covered with the feathers. So the wings of the birds are different sizes and shape. You all know that. A crow will be having a type of feather or wings, and a peacock will be having a different type of wings, and an eagle will be having a different type of wings. A swan will be having a different type of wing. According to the size of the bird, the shape and the size of the wings will differ. There are 4 main types of wings seen in flying birds. Let us take a look at the wing types and a few birds of each. Okay, let us see. See here, short and broad wings. Okay, pheasant, it is a bird which is having a short and broad wings. See woodpecker. Woodpecker, even it is a small bird, its wings will be short and broad. Short and pointed wings. See here, helps the birds to fly at high speeds and make quicker turns because it will fly. Goose, okay, it will have these sharp wings will make them to have a quick turn, and helps these broad wings helps the birds fly quickly from danger. Swallow, long and broad wings. See here, stark, vulture, okay, eagle, they will be having a long and a broad wings. These wings helps birds to soar in the sky. Okay, soar means it will fly high in the sky. Long and pointed wings. Okay, short and pointed wings. Here long and pointed wings. These wings helps the birds to glide in the air, okay, without flopping. Okay, have you seen some birds flying like this? Okay, without doing like this, the bird will be flying. So these type of wings will help the birds to fly, to glide in the sky without flopping. Okay. Birds that not use their wings fly are known as flightless birds. Some examples for flightless birds are ostriches, penguins and kiwis. Okay, have you seen a penguin flying in the sky? No. Okay, penguins cannot fly. Kiwi is also a bird that cannot fly in the sky. Okay, kiwi will be having a feathers and wings, but it will not fly. And also ostrich. Have you seen an ostrich? It will run fast. Okay, it is the fastest running bird in the earth, but it will not fly. Okay, so these birds are called as flightless birds. Ostrich use their wings to balance while walking and running. So see here, it is an ostrich and it will balance, it will use its wings to balance and run in the run fastly. They have very strong legs and can run faster than a leopard. Okay, have you seen a leopard? It will run faster, but an ostrich can run more fast than a leopard. Penguins. Penguins are champion swimmers. They are use their wings for flippers. Okay, just it will flip its wings. Okay, it cannot fly. See here, kiwi. Kiwi is a small bird. It will be having some feathers and wings also, but it will not fly. Kiwis have tiny wings with feathers that look like hair. They have short legs and move quickly. So these three are called as flightless birds.